Welcome everyone in the first lecture or first experiment of microprocessor lab. I am Tanvir Ahmed Tariq. Um, this is your first experiment or introduction to EMU8086 emulator with some practical examples, uh, which means we have to have we need to have the EMU8086 emulator. At first, I will show you how to install it on your laptop, and then I will explain this experiment. So that's why we will go at first. We will go to the any browser you have, whichever browser you may like. So we are going to Google Chrome, and here we try to EMU 8086 download or free download, whatever. You just need to write and search on it. Does everyone see the Google Chrome in your in your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here we are seeing so many links. You can go at any link and download the EMU 8086. Why it's so slow? Um, it's becoming very slow. I can show you in another way that I have already downloaded it. I have already downloaded it on my laptop, the EMU 8086408 version. So uh, you just need to open it. You can download it with your internet connection, or also if you want, then I can supply this zip file. You just need to set up. I'm not reset up in this because it is already set it up. You just click on the next and other things and install it on your computer. Then it will be installed. I'm just exiting this, that because I don't want to reinstall on my computer. If you have any problem installing it, you can inform me. Now it's here in the Google Chrome. You can see the download for PC. When you click on this, that you will just get. If you don't have the laptop, no problem. I will take the class and exam in that way that you don't need to have the laptop or desktop. But if you have it, it will be better to practice. Now, you just need to save it in wherever you want to save in your location, and then open it and install. So now we are coming back to our theory. at first we will see the theory, then we will go for the practical example, such that here at first I have given the 8086. You may have understood till now that we will use the 8086 Intel microprocessor for our lab and theory class, to get understand about how why we should use the uh, which microprocessor we should use in this course. So at first we need to understand the register. Register সম্পর্কে আমাদের at first জানতে হবে. So there are four special registers, or we called, sorry, not special register, general registers. Four general registers: AX, BX, CX, and DX. All of these four general purpose registers are 16 bit, are of 16 bit, and all these four general purpose registers are divided into two smaller registers, which are called for AX, AH, and AL, and both of them are 8 bits, so total 16 bits. Similarly, for BX register there are two smaller registers divided, called BH and BL, and both of them are similarly 8 bits. These BH and BL are not different registers. এগুলো কিন্তু আলাদা কোনো রেজিস্টার না। this this BH, these BH and BL registers are part of BX. এই BX রেজিস্টারকে দুই ভাগে ভাগ করা আছে। একটাই রেজিস্টার যেটাকে দুই ভাগে ভাগ করে এক সামনের অংশটাকে BH এবং পরের অংশটাকে BL বলা হচ্ছে, which means these BX registers are divided into two parts, from of which the first half is called BH, and the lower half is called BL. And here H means high and L means low. Similarly, CX and DX, there are total eight smaller registers: AX, AH, AL, BH, BL, CH, CL, DH, DL, and overall um, four general purpose registers: AX, BX, CX, DX. There are also some special registers. We in the right side of this figure, or middle of the whole figure, which are called CS, IP, SS, etc., etc. In this lab we will not require these special registers. Maybe you need to know about these in your theory classes, but in your lab classes we will be uh, we will use only these registers, these general purpose registers only. That means AX, BX, CX, and DX, or we can use this AH, BH, CRDL. These are and another picture we are seeing. This is called flag, and similarly, in at first we don't need to know about what is flag. You will understand, you will know about this in detail in your theory classes. We just need to uh, I can just say that in short, that this flag register, which is also 16 bit, this flag register is just like a summary of every instructions. Okay, now we are going to see some short examples, then you will get the idea what we will do in this lab. Okay, at first I am starting the program EMU8086, then I will explain this to you. We are seeing here that when we start the EMU8086 microprocessor and emulator, it will show this an open dialog box, which from where we will use the or we will click on the new button. After that, we will select the empty workspace and then OK. Now, are you seeing this um, emulator EMU8086 in your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, uh, we will write down the code. Then I will explain what it is. At first, move AX 0004H, then add okay. So we have just I have just write, if you see, I have just write this code. The first example of this experiment, I have just write this code. What this code means, here we see there are three columns. What first one is label, second one is mnemonic code, and third one is meaning. Label means that each and every line of this instruction. Here we are seeing some instructions are given. What this means, I will explain it. And though this is lab class, I may not be able to explain in detail, but I will try to give um, as much as details I could. You will get to know about these in your theory classes, but uh, to understand the lab, I will explain as much as possible so that you can do the lab perfectly. So label label means there are there are actually four instructions. Move AX, this is one instruction. Move BX is another instruction. Add X comma BX, this is another instruction. And finally halt, HLT, halt, this, which is another instruction. So there are actually total four instructions, and each of them instructions have different we can say different location. So we can say that this is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3, and this is line 4, for example, or instruction 1, instruction 2, instruction 3, instruction 4. So these are the label, and label must be written in uh, sorry, not must be written in, it has to be ended with colon, colon. That if I show you by writing in whiteboard, then you will see that we have to write line 1 colon, then move AX comma 0004H. Then I'm similarly line 2 colon, move BX comma 0005H, and similarly we will continue. So this is the label line 1, and this is the instruction which we are saying mnemonic code. This is called mnemonic code. Uh, though we are writing MNEMONIC, but it will pronounce as uchcharon korte hobe as mnemonic code. The first M is silent, or যেটাকে বাংলায় বলা হয় উজ্জ, so উচ্চারণ হবে mnemonic, just এতটুকু, mnemonic code. So what is mnemonic code? Mnemonic means that it is not fully it is a short form of something, such that MOV means move. MOVE, the short form of MOVE is MOV. That's why it is called mnemonic. Similarly, add, it is the short form of addition. From addition, it came as add. Similarly, last one is halt. HALT is the actual word. HALT, halt. Halt means stop. So uh, in mnemonic code, it has become HLT. And these move, add, HLT are defined by Intel Corporation when they are creating this program. So this is the just one of the instructions. What these whole instructions are doing, I'm now telling it, that it is saying addition of two hexadecimal numbers. দুইটা hexadecimal numbered যোগফল বের করার program. The program of addition of two hexadecimal numbers. Now, do you understand what is hexadecimal number? Can anyone say or explain me? So what is hexadecimal?
স্যার হেক্সাডেসিমাল হলো স্যার 16 বিট, আমাদের 0 থেকে আমরা স্যার 15 পর্যন্ত।
সেটাকে কিভাবে এক্সপ্লেন শো করা হয়? How this is shown in the written form?
স্যার আমরা স্যার 0 থেকে 9 পর্যন্ত, তারপর 10, তারপর ধরি A, B, C, D, E পর্যন্ত স্যার।
Okay. Now I'm asking you in this in English, because so that other Abdirahim can understand. So can you explain? Can you tell me what is the uh, what is the number after F in hexadecimal?
No sir.
I am telling you in wait. If you see that hexadecimal numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, what we will do? We will write A, B, C, G, E, F. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, what is the number after F? F এর পরের সংখ্যা কি?
স্যার এটা আমরা বলতে পারবো না স্যার।
আচ্ছা, now if I ask you that you are using the normal sense or decimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now can you say what is the number after 9?
A.
Huh? কত?
ডেসিমালে তো 10 হবে।
Sir, 10 means A.
10,
Sir, 10.
12, 13, 14, right? এভাবেই না?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me after what will be the number after 19?
20.
Okay, 20, 21, etc. So now I am explaining you the now A, B, C, D, E, F.
F0.
Huh?
F0.
Why F0?
স্যার যেহেতু ফার্স্টে 0 আছে মানে 0 থেকে আবার শুরু F এর পরে।
সো এইখানে যদি তুমি খেয়াল করো এখানে কি 90 আসছিল 9 এর পরে?
না স্যার,
কত আসছিল?
10.
What is the number after 9? 10 or 10, 11. So
তাহলে 0A বা A0.
the next number after F is 10. Then 11, then 12, 13. If I write in above 13, 14, 15, 16, 19. 19 এর পরে কি হবে? 19 এর পরে হবে 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, then 1F. এরপরে কি? এটা বলার উদ্দেশ্য হচ্ছে আমি একটু আগে ডেসিমালেরটা তোমাদের দেখাইছি, just sometimes before I have shown you the decimal number formatting. At first 0 to 9, then 10, 11, 12, 19. After when the 9 is finished, then what we are doing, what we are saying, 20, 21, 22. Similarly, when 29 after 29, what will come? 30, 31, 32. So similarly in hexadecimal we have 16 digits, 0 to 9, then A B C D F. These are not these A B C D are not letters, these are numbers. 0 to F actually total 16 digits. So after F the next number is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F. When the F is finished, then we will go 20, 21, 22, 23. Similarly, we will go for 29, then 2A to 2F. If you say 2, here 23 থেকে 28, 29, 2A, 2F. Then what will be the number after 2F? It will be 30239. Then 3A to 3F. Similarly after 3F the number will be 40249, then 4A to 4F. ওকে, এইভাবেই সবগুলা কন্টিনিউ হতে থাকবে। বুঝা গেছে? কারো কি কোনো
Yes, sir.
এবার কোনো কনফিউশন আছে?
না স্যার।
Abdi Rahim, have you understood the this hexadecimal number formatting?
Yes, sir. Understand something.
So in this way you can find the hexadecimal numbers. তোমাদের কি কারো কোনো কনফিউশন আছে এই হেক্সাডেসিমালটা কি হলো?
না স্যার।
এটা যদি তোমাদের, আমি আজকে তো দেখানোর সময় পাচ্ছি না, সময় নাই, এরপরে তোমাদের আরেকটা ক্লাস আছে, আমি নেক্সট ক্লাসে অর্থাৎ আগামীকাল অথবা আগামী সপ্তাহে তোমাদের এটা ক্যালকুলেটরে কিভাবে করে, হাউ টু ইউজ দিস হেক্সাডেসিমাল নাম্বারস ইন ক্যালকুলেটর, I will show that. Today is just a simple introductory class, and this class will be repeated on the next week, because this is just one example, but there are others 2, 3 and 4, so I will explain in more detail in the next class. I am just showing you just an introduction to about it. So what these instructions are saying, that move x comma 0004h means load in ax a number which is 0004. What we are seeing here as meaning, or we can say this is the C language equivalent. C language আমরা কিভাবে লিখতে পারি এই কথাটা, সেটাই এখানে লেখা আছে যে this meaning means this is the equivalent C code. So ax equal to this. Similarly, move bx means bx equal to this, অর্থাৎ load the value 0005 into bx. And similarly again, add ax comma bx. What is the meaning of it? It means ax equal to ax plus bx. You have to add ax and bx, and after the addition the result should be stored in ax. So what you will get, that at first ax equal to 4, then bx equal to 5. So if we add this 4 and 5, what we will get? 9. So this 9 will be stored in ax. That means the previous value x 0004h will be deleted, and the new value 0009h will be stored in ax. And after that, halt means stop or stop the program. এটা কি তোমরা সবাই বুঝতে পারছো এখানে কি বলা হয়েছে? যে দুইটা নাম্বার আমরা যোগ করব, হেক্সাডেসিমাল দুইটা নাম্বার যোগ করব, 04 and 5, এই 4 এবং 5 কে আমরা যোগ করতেছি, যোগ করে যোগফলটা আমরা প্রথম যে রেজিস্টার আছে সেখানে রাখবো। এটা কেন? এখানে যে এই কোডিংটা যেটা বলা, এটার মিনিং হচ্ছে যে আমরা এই দুইটাকে যোগ করব, we will add this ax and bx, যোগ করার পরে যোগফলটা প্রথমে যে রেজিস্টারটা আছে সেটাতে আমি স্টোর করব। the after the addition we will store the result in the first mentioned register, which is called ax. We can write also that, আমি যদি একটু দেখাই, we can write it also in another way, such that we can write add bx comma ax. Then what it will mean? It will mean that bx equal to bx plus ax. Okay, what we are seeing here, that we have to add these both but store in the first mentioned register. ঠিক কারো কি কোনো কনফিউশন আছে এখানে? আশা করি কনফিউশন হবে না। Hopefully there will be no confusion in all of you. After watching this class and studying, you will understand better. And here we are seeing the result is x equal to 009, what we are seeing here 0009, and bx equal to 0005. Why? Here we are seeing another register we have used in our program, which is called bx. So in the results section you have to mention all the registers you have used and their final value after the calculation or execution of the program, which means halt. So now we will see this program here. Of course we will do this program in the next class also, so that you will understand better. After writing this program, we have to press on this. We have to press on this emulate button. We are seeing that there is no we have completed our code. Now we want to see the result. So what we will do, we will click on the emulate button. If there is no problem, then this screen will appear. If there is no problem in the coding, then this screen will appear. And here we are seeing that if I maximize it, then here we are seeing that there is move x, 00004, 0005, add x, bx, halt, etc. And this line is green color, and we are seeing that there are three row are highlighted, which are called B8, 04, and 00 are its machine code. And we will what is machine code, we will understand it after 2 or 3 more classes. I'm not explaining it more here. Just see this is the column for machine code. What is machine code and how we will what is the significance of it, what is the value of it, we will understand it later. Similarly, when we click on the second instruction, then we will see that another 3 is highlighted. When we click on the add x, bx, then we will see this another 2 is highlighted, and halt is another where we are seeing F4. And in this side here, registers ax, bx, cx, dx, we are seeing here that all of these are 0. Now what we will do, we will just do this run button. When we click on the run, then we will see here the result will appear as we have seen in the PDF, such that if we run it, then it has said the emulator is halted, which means program has stopped. And we are seeing here that x becomes 09 from 00, অর্থাৎ এখানে x এর রেজাল্টটা আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি 00 থেকে 09 হয়ে গেছে। দুইটা যোগ করে 4 আর 5 যোগ করে যেটা হয় সেটা এখানে দেখাচ্ছে। তো আজকের ক্লাসটা মোটামুটি এতটুকুই আছে, এবং তোমাদের যদি কারো কোনো কোয়েশ্চেন থাকে, if any one of you have any question till now, then ask me, then I will try to explain. Does any of you have any question?
স্যার এগুলো আমরা খাতায় কিভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করব স্যার? যদি আমাদের রেজাল্টটা বের করতে বলে, শুধু আমরা রেজাল্টটাই লিখবো?
এইটা তোমরা যেটা করবা, আমি এটা তোমাদের পরবর্তীতে বলবো। আপাতত যেহেতু এটা ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি ক্লাস, অত ডিটেইলে যাচ্ছি না। পরীক্ষা কিভাবে করবা, কিভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করবা, সেগুলো আমি পরে তোমাদের আরো দুই একটা ক্লাস পরে বলবো, এখন দরকার নেই। এখন জাস্ট একটু দেখো।
স্যার এই আমাদের রেকর্ডিং ফাইলটা কি আপনি আমাদের গুগল ক্লাসরুমে আপলোড
হ্যাঁ,
করে দিবেন?
yes, I will give this give the recorded file, link of the recorded file in the messenger group, and I will not create any Google Classroom. I will give all of the data, all of the file in your messenger group. If you want to see, uh, I am showing you. Here you are seeing that this is the messenger group of this class, and I will give all the class lectures and class video links here, and you will find here in this section the shared files. When I will post any PDF, then you will see here another um, section which will be called shared files, and there you will get your um, lecture sheets. That's why, and I think this is the easiest way to communicate and uh, give the lectures and others to all of you, and it will be easier for you than Google Classroom. That's why I am using this messenger. So, does any of you have any other question? I think we can conclude our class here, but I have to take your attendance, so please stay some moments, and we are concluding our class first lecture here, and we will complete and give more detail about this first experiment again in the next class. Till then, thank you everyone.